The hardest part of trading isn't analysis, it's execution. Today, we focus on trading what we see, not what we hope. Okay friends, so today we are comparing trading pairs using one of the most well-known strategies in the markets, the 2 moving averages. Okay, so for the first one, we set the period to 5. This is our fast MA for entering long positions. Let's make it a bit more visible for the other to see the other signals. Okay, so for the second moving average, we're going to leave everything unchanged and make it red. This is the slow MA, which gives the signals downward moves. So now let's break down the essence of this strategy. It's extremely simple. We have a crossover of the moving averages and the green one is on top, and we enter the market long. If the red MA is above, the asset should fall. So we simply monitor the MA crossover and enter the market. You can also open trades on bounces from the MA line. As for the moving average, this can act as support for the price. So let me immediately point out that an example. If the market is in a tight sideways range, we definitely don't open trades. It's not worth it because the crossovers, are constantly give false or too short-lived signals. So that's the problem with it. Well, here's our quote. It's absolutely flying. So without any further hesitation, I open the first long trade here. There's a crossover. The green MA is now above the red one. As you can see here, the asset is bouncing off the line. So we can expect the price to rise at least to this level here. So now let's wait for the results. Since we are comparing currency pairs, let's talk about the first one, Euro/USD, UAR/USD. So over the past few months, it has been an upward trend and is relatively predictable. It has been rising for a very long time. So you know this. So you can catch some moments of another approach within the general trend line here. It also makes sense to open trades near the upper boundary, expecting a correction downwards. Meanwhile, our first trade has closed in profit. So Euro/USD is an extremely popular pair, so it has excellent liquidity and relatively low volatility. It's suitable for beginners and also is used for gaining initial experience. But friends, it doesn't mean that this quote is the best. It's not necessarily the best because it's the most popular. So now I'll open a second trade and I'm going to start to prove my point and I'm going to show it to you now. So I'm convinced that there are no best pairs when it comes to trading. Today I specifically chose the simplest strategy, planning to trade the most automatically. So my goal here is to show you that they are all the same for a trader, but offer different opportunities at the moment. So if you want to trade only Euro to USD like that, go ahead. But what will you do when the pair stops working for you? Look for another best pair. That doesn't work. All you need to do is learn how to trade. So there's no perfect assets for trading, but there are good entry points, of course. You need to not only know how to find a working trading strategy, but know how to use it at the right time. So right now, I've almost closed the second trade. Yes, it's in profit. I don't feel like opening a third trade on this chart. The asset has reached a key level and I'm expecting a pullback. Yeah, I'm expecting the pullback here. So however, the moving averages are giving, upward signals and we're strictly following the strategy. So back in the market, I'm testing a specific pair. So I simply have no other choice. So if we switch to a higher time frame, we can see the end of the correction in the upward trend. We might reach this level, but we won't know for sure for now. This is after all the last trade on this pair. And yes, here is our simplest strategy, is letting us down. We can now note that a downside to this currency pair is here. So right now I'm highlighting these almost identical candles so that you can see it here that constantly appear on the chart. Large players are actively selling every few minutes now, slightly pushing the price down. So such candles can often ruin long positions, so be extra careful and cautious when trading this pair. Okay, here's a losing trade. I pretty much knew it to happen. This is okay because I predicted this, my friends. Euro to US dollar, 2 wins, 1 loss. Now I'm moving to a different currency pair. Let's go. So we're entering Euro/GBP, that's the euros to British pounds. And here the market has just started a serious decline. There's an MA crossover, the red line is now on top, and the chart itself is sending a clear signal. The market is falling. So let's mark this zone as a potential target for the move. So Euro/GBP is an excellent choice for trading during the European session. At this time, the quote comes to life and you can catch a strong directional move. As you can see, the asset is relatively predictable. However, there can be sharp drops in this and reversals and buy-ups. Anything is possible in the market. Over the last month, this pair has been particularly volatile, so trade it with caution. So meanwhile, our trade is approaching its conclusion. Any outcome is possible. One more second now. Okay, boom, there you have it, success. Now let's see the pair, how this pair behaves under normal conditions. As you can see, it often moves more smoothly than others. So though there are occasional sharp sell-offs, so it's this is important for you to choose your appropriate strategies, or better yet, use longer expiration dates. So here we have a rather unusual section with sharp volatility in both directions, but for the sake of this test, we can't switch pairs, so we're going to continue trading. The code clearly shows no signs of a reversal, so we're waiting for it to decline to the indicated level. While we have a bit of time, let's continue our discussion. So let's talk about the trading strategy. This is probably the most popular system in the world. It has been around for years. Honestly, I'm almost certain that the classic 2 MA strategy is practically obsolete for 2025. But right now, I'm trading like a beginner or a mainstream trader. I chose the most common tool as a benchmark, and I am now testing how much specific pairs can yield the most trivial, straightforward trading. So okay, here there's some things going on according to how it's going, because this isn't my plan. It seems that the first loss is inevitable. Unfortunately, $100 has gone. I've lost this. No one said it's going to be easy, especially after my trading today. It's more of an experiment, so that's why. I am not discouraged, of course, though I am doubling the investment amount now. My goal is to at least not lose all my money today. I'm back in the market now. Even on the green candle, the indicator signals suggest a decline, so I'm patiently waiting for a minute and preparing for anything. So as you've probably realized, I'm deliberately engaging in incorrect trading here, so you can see the right approach to analysis in my other videos. I also recommend checking my Telegram channel. The link is in the description below. Click on it and get tapped. So in addition to my free trading signals and educational content I give there, you get access to a unique software developed by I and my team. We've created a powerful neural network that is going to help you trade. This thing gives you accurate signals. Don't miss out on it, guys. So let's go. So at this stage, my prediction of using this bot is around 72%, and all you need to do is message me and you're going to get access for absolutely free, $0 charge. I've taken a second loss here on this currency pair. It's a fiasco, but it was predictable. Now I'm moving to USD/JPY, that is US dollars to Japanese yen. This is one of my favorites. Let's go. I'm hoping it will at least show stable results. Here we have a clear upward movement and a clear signal for the trade. Okay, the counter for the positions on USD/JPY is now open. Let's take a few seconds to analyze. So after another bounce upward, the assets began steadily rising, and the MA positioning clearly indicates some growth. So we have this. Let's take a look at the yen on the larger scale. How about that? It's a good sign if we're looking for a daily chart, a narrow channel where the price has been moving for many days. That's a predictable zone for trading. So right now we're about to see an upward move. Earlier there was a decline, before that another rise. We are now catching the current movement, knowing the asset will bounce back from a broader perspective. We have an extra reason to open a longer trade. So meanwhile, things are looking very positive here. We've entered at the right moment, and we are now closing at a successful trade. Great work. It's too early to relax. It's not too early to relax. Now we are going to go back into it. So not long ago, I was praising the Euro/GBP, only for it to give me 2 losses out of 3 trades, which is not that great. So now let's see how USD/JPY performs. While we wait for the expiration, here's another important point about currency pairs. Do you know the best time to trade a particular quote? Is during this trading session. The yen is best traded during the Asian session, euro and pound during the European session, and so on and so forth. The US dollar is also during the American market when that's active. So here's the tip: visit any financial news portal and check the schedule, or ask ChatGPT when the regional markets are active, and that's when you know. So trust me, my friends, this will be far more useful than seriously trying to find the perfect pair for a specific year, I'll go for that. Anyone who makes videos hyping a specific asset is a hypocrite, flat out, and they are feeding you absolute nonsense. So far, the JPY/USD is going well, hasn't let me down. 2 excellent trades in a row are already done. I'm reducing the risk to the initial level and preparing for a third trade. Let's wrap this up. No point in dragging it out. So by the way, speaking of sessions, right now is the peak of the Asian session. There's increased demand for yen pairs, which is why we are seeing a steady rise within the predictable trend here. And so as I mentioned earlier, it's best to trade when everyone else is trading. So for the yen, you need to work in the morning, wake up as early as possible, and catch all trading opportunities. So during the middle of the day, euro, pound, and the Swiss franc are more interesting, and in the late hours, it's the US and Canadian dollars. With this schedule, you'll find the best currency pairs for 2025 and any other year. So meanwhile, I'm approaching the end of the third US dollar yen trade. And apparently this is the first successful pair today. Excellent. Let's move on to the next one. So let's take a currency pair that often offers higher returns. We're entering a long trade on AUD/CHF. That's Australian dollar to the Swiss franc. This entry is based on a just occurred moving average crossover that we have here. The asset has been declining for a while, and now it's due for at least a correction. While we have time, let's focus on daily candles. So we can see almost identical formations here, forming a relatively narrow range. So the rise to the upper boundary is quite predictable. So we are going to calmly be waiting for our profits on this trade. Overall, this asset is fairly tame, but sometimes serious sell-off occurs, and it's worth keeping an eye on the news, as it's particularly crucial for both currencies due to their low capitalization. So meanwhile, I'm facing problems again. The asset doesn't want to rise. So yes, we're going to have another loss here. My friends, I'm really tired of this farce. The goal of this video is to show you that earning with options doesn't depend on the currency pairs. That's the goal of this video. So you've seen it for yourself. One strategy, one expiration, one time frame. The results are disappointing, so it's time to move on to the final pair. Okay, so and here is our nice pair, the nice pair. We've entered a long on USD/CAD. That's the US dollar to the Canadian dollar. Here we have a clear breakout and a long standing level on the upside, so we're confidently expecting further price appreciation. So now let's see how this pair behaves in the long term. Oh yes, there's clearly a logic to its price movement here. The asset has caught a wave and is moving in a specific direction. We're right at the moment for another reversal. You don't believe me? Well, find out. We're going to find out now. So here's the line. Everything makes more sense now, doesn't it? Here's a more accurate version. The previous one wasn't entirely precise. We're waiting for the rise, my friends. Let's draw the main conclusion. There's no perfect currency pair, otherwise I would have found it today. Every one of them has at least one loss or one win, even though I traded within the strategy. So there's no perfect one. Here we have a profitable trade, and I explain my thoughts in more details in this video's conclusion. Let's go. So the solution, don't search for a perfect currency pair, search for reliable tools. And if you're struggling to find them, you simply don't have time, you're welcome to come to my Telegram channel. The link is in the description below. Click and we'll help you do that. So guys, that's all for today. Like, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.